satisfying, heartfelt, and fun.
It's one of the best volunteer efforts I've ever contributed my time to, and I have such great gratitude and respect for these men and women and the service that they've given to our country. And if I can help even one of them in their transition into civilian life, then I know I've done something good.
I think we're going to see a lot of military transitioning out, and they have great skills and they are remarkable candidates.
I could never give what they've given, and so my investment here is a small thank you, I guess.
I volunteer with VetCTAP because it's an organization that's very focused on seeing military folks transitioning through their military to civilian transition and being successful.
I feel passionate about supporting our veterans, and the best way I can do that is through offering my HR experience to help them transition back into the civilian workforce.
Because I love watching the changes that take place with the participants. From not sure what they want to do until 4 weeks later, they're stars.
I volunteer with VetCTAP because I enjoy helping veterans find their dream job.
I volunteer with VetCTAP because it's very, very satisfying to be able to help people who are so deserving in making this huge transition.
I really enjoy working with the vets and their spouses in the program. Just incredible people, very interesting life stories, good strong backgrounds, and the other volunteers are just phenomenal. What a wealth of information they have. The networking opportunities are endless.
And I hope that other volunteers will see this and be motivated to want to join the volunteer staff here.
Sometimes volunteering is very stressful because it's very disorganized, and this program it's impeccable. It's organized very well.
And it's very fun. You make friends here, you get close to the other team members you work with. It's just a great experience. I can't talk highly enough about it.
If you want to make an impact on a military family, register today on our website.
These men and women have served our country well, and it's a great way to give back, feel good, and help folks all at the same time.